out to be strong before you were ready. If you felt like love had to begin. If no one ever said, I see you, I am proud of you, it is okay to rest, then this video is for that child inside of you. So many of us are walking around with open wounds, not always from what was said, but from what wasn't. No one told you that you were good enough just as you were. No one explained that making mistakes didn't mean you were unlovable. No one told you it was okay to cry, to leave, to fall apart. And now, as an adult, we carry the silence, we carry the ache. But what if healing doesn't mean going back to changing the past? What if it means giving yourself now what you always needed? You may not have had someone to say these words to you back then, but you have you now. So, I want you to get quiet, maybe close your eyes, take a deep breath, and listen. Not with your adult ears, but with the part of you that still waits to be seen. Ready? You didn't have to be perfect to be loved. You were never too much. Your feelings made sense even if no one listened. You should have been comforted, not criticized. You had a right to be heard, even when you were small. It wasn't your job to hold everything together. You were allowed to be a child. It wasn't your fault. You did the best you could with what you knew. The way they treated you wasn't a reflection of your worth. You were worthy of love just by existing. You didn't need to claim approval to belong. You didn't deserve to be ignored. You deserved safety and softness and joy. You were lovable. You still are. It is okay to rest now. You are not in danger anymore. You can stop proving you already matter. The child in you still deserves protection. And I am here now to give you what you needed all along. Reparenting isn't about blaming our caregivers. It is about meeting the needs that were never met. You don't need to shame your past. You just need to show up for yourself now. And here is how that looks in real life. Speaking kindly to yourself when you mess up. Taking breaks without guilt. Giving yourself permission to feel, to rest, to say no. Choosing peace over perfection. Every time you choose gentleness over judgment, you are healing the child inside you. Whenever you are triggered, overwhelmed, or just feeling small, try this. Place your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and whisper to yourself, I am here, I see you, you are safe now, you are not alone anymore. This is the beginning of parenting. This is how to feel whole. The world may not have always spoken love into you, but you can be the one to speak it now. Not perfectly, not all at once, but gently, consistently, kindly. Because healing doesn't mean forgetting the pain. It means choosing to love the one who lived through it. And that person is you. You are not broken. You are becoming. If this video felt like something your inner child needed, leave a love emoji in the comments so I know you were here. Subscribe to Inner Compass for more healing, more truth, and more space to come home to yourself. You are doing the work, and I am proud of you.